In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam, API key. If you use tools, servers, or apps that talk to Steam, your API key is what lets those services access your account's public data. Rotating it is a smart security habit. And it's essential if you think your key may have been exposed. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and by the end, you'll have a fresh key and your app's back up and running. Start by opening your web browser, signing into your Steam account, and heading to the official Steam Web API page. Make sure you are logged in with the account that owns the current key, because the management options only appear when you are authenticated. This page is where you can see your key status and make changes. Before creating a new key, revoke the old one. Look for the button labeled Revoke My Steam Web API Key and click it. This immediately invalidates the previous key, which helps protect your account if that key has been shared or stored somewhere you no longer trust. Keep in mind that revoking the key will cause any connected apps or services to stop working until you update them with the new key. So it's best to do this when you are ready to switch everything over right away. Now generate a new key. You'll see a field labeled Domain. Despite the name, this doesn't have to be a real website. It's simply a label to help you remember what the key is for. Enter a short, descriptive name you'll recognize later, and avoid putting any private information there. Next, check the box confirming that you agree to the Steam Web API terms of use. Then click Register. The page will display your new key. Treat it like a password. Don't share it, post it, or store it in places where others can see it. Finally, secure your key and update every connected app and service that depends on it. Copy the new key and paste it into each tool's settings, configuration file, or environment variable where the old key was stored. Save your changes and, if required, restart those apps or services so they pick up the new value. Work through your list methodically: game servers, bots, mod managers, analytics, tools, or any integration you previously connected. The goal is to replace the old key everywhere to restore normal operation. That's it. Thanks for watching.